Hi, it's Matt from the Intergalactic Herald, just giving you our weekly recap of the latest Star Atlas news, recap number 59. You can go to intergalacticherald.com to find all the links mentioned today. Again, look for recap number 59. Metaverse Nomads do their latest weekly live stream that they post on Facebook, basically going over the new Sage escape velocity. AFIA posted their latest Star Atlas newsletter, number 77. The Hologram posted an article talking about the insider information about the departure of one of the company, Star Atlas company co-founders. OCG Thor posted a video where he went over some of the updates of the Star Atlas IP. Gladiator posted a video where he was talking about the latest updates that came out from Star Atlas. The Hologram posted an article about an upcoming event that's going to be happening in the Sage escape velocity. Metaverse Explorer posted a new video on YouTube going through the latest Star Atlas updates. Gladiator posted a video where he compared the different sizes of some of the ships in the Star Atlas showroom. Again, if you'd like to find links to all this information, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for news recap number 59. Thank you.